What's the meaning of biology? Biology. Biology.
Biology. Biology. Biology is the scientific study of life and living organisms. It encompasses a wide range of topics, from the molecular mechanisms underlying cellular processes to the interactions between different species in ecosystems. The field of biology has contributed immensely to our understanding of the natural world, including the origins and evolution of life, the diversity of species on Earth, and the complex web of relationships that exist among them. Advances in biology have also led to practical applications in agriculture, medicine, and biotechnology, among other fields. In short, biology is a vast and endlessly fascinating field that seeks to unravel the mysteries of life itself.